Hi everybody, welcome back to another quick video. So for today we are going to check the battery health on my 3-year-old Chromebook. It's an ASUS C201, really great Chromebook, and I just want to check the battery health on it. So if you want to do the same, 2 steps: open up the Chrome shell using the buttons CTRL+ALT+ the letter T, and you just gotta type in battery_test. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna hold down the keys Control, Alt, and then T all at the same time. This will open up our Chrome shell. Okay, once the Chrome shell is open, all you gotta do is type in battery_test and then press enter. And then you can see that the battery health on my Chromebook is 83.6% after 3 years, so it's been pretty good. So the please wait part, basically, if you just wanted to find out the battery health, you can just close the program if you wanted to, but the please wait part, if you wait for 300 seconds, it's going to show you the rate it discharges. So the battery discharge rate after 300 seconds. I'll make another video on that just to give a little bit more info. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So battery health is actually pretty good on my Chromebook. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.